Hello friends, Artist Resin Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Once again, the blooms fever continues. I will be attempting making neon blooms with the neon powders that were sent by Miss Casey from CWV Artistry. So let's get started. So the selected colors here are lemon head, bubblicious and purple lotus. First mix all the colors in these small petal mix batches. Again I am using the expensive resin for blooms attempt as I do not want any fails. This resin batch is 75 grams of which 50 grams is resin and 25 grams is hardener. For petals mix I will be taking around 5 to 6 grams each batch but I do not weigh it. I simply go with my assumptions. Out of these two neon coasters, for one coaster I will be mixing the neon pigments directly into resin, and for the second one I will be mixing the pigment in alcohol first and then in resin. Hopefully I will be able to make petals with the alcohol mixed neon pigment. So let's experiment this one. The colors are mixed now. I will wait for 5 minutes then start my process. First, I will pour clear resin into the mold. Now I will start making spirals of these gorgeous colors in resin in traditional style. Now I will make the designs with a skewer. Now I will leave it for curing for 24 hours. It's the next day. Looks like the yellow and orange worked well, while the purple one looks doubtful to me. It even if it bloomed at all. We'll see, but first let's add the background to both. So I have selected black pearl mica and desert taupe for each one of them. I will simply mix the colors in resin and pour them into the coasters. After this, I will again leave it for curing. It's the next day. Let's demold and see if they look good or not. This isn't a success at all. This one was the alcohol mixed neon pigment which did not bloom at all. If you see carefully, you can see some patterns but very faded ones. Let's have a look at the second one. Oh wow, it looks a successful result, but I think I chose wrong background color. I think I should have chosen white or some light color. It would have looked very nice, but I love it as it is. It's just a lighter color would have popped the beauty of these gorgeous neon pigments very well. So tell me in the comments if you like these blooms or not, and any suggestions are always welcome. Thank you so much for always supporting me in my fails or success. You all are so amazing. Without you all, I could not come this long. Time to go now. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.